guys, we have reached the Sapporo hotel. This is my outfit. Ta-da! So now we're going out to buy a new luggage because one of our luggage broken. The handle there kind of break already, so we're going to buy a better quality one. And then we're going to Gundam store. My hubby want to look at some Gundam figurines and other stuff, you know, guys, boys. And then we're gonna head out for our dinner. I have to use the toilet mirror so you can see full body. Aku orang style tu. And this is hubby's outfit. The 蓬蓬的裤子. I call it 蓬蓬的裤子 because it's like fluffy, you know.
So the broken luggage has quite a bit of history. We actually bought it in Osaka during our honeymoon about 7 years ago. It was a display unit, so we managed to get it at a really good price. At the time, we were desperately needed extra luggage space for all the things we bought. So we were basically looking for the cheapest option we could find. Looking back, I'll say it was money well spent. It's been with us for that many years and has survived quite a few trips, so it has definitely done its job. The luggage here was really nice. You could immediately tell the build quality was solid. But so were the prices. Some of them were in the 6-digit yen range, which was way beyond what we were willing to spend. That's when it hit me. Why didn't we just check out Mega Don Quijote instead? Since Don Quijote pretty much sells everything, there's a good chance they have luggage too. Plus, this branch is open 24 hours, so there wasn't really any rush. I'll get to that later in this video. Instead, we headed to a collectibles store first because they closed pretty early. Like 8 PM early? Seriously though, what's with the shopping stores in Japan closing so early? If you guys know the reason why, do enlighten me in the comments below.
Wow. 它的 sky 好美耶，好像那个 My Name 的 poster 的。Nikumas， 哦，这里是烤肉的哦。Look at the face, oh my god, this mushroom is cute, but the face is so funny.
还有这个紫砖色这个，大虾，
这是什么来的？那两米睾丸一样。
应该是那种什么肉丸啊、meatball 啊。
哦，300元。 500 yen. すみません。500円がありますか？はい。Have to wait for the 500 yen coin. Because if you put 100 yen coin, it doesn't accept. So I have to change the stuff for one piece of 500 yen. ありがとうございます。パティー。たらー。my turn. Oh. Oh. Oh, I just need to like put. Oh, I don't need to change points actually. What am I doing? Ayo, bodoh lah aku ni. Actually, I don't have to change to 500. I thought like you have to use 500 yen coin and then change it to the token. But actually, you don't need also. You can just put the 100 yen in. So bodoh lah, oh my god. I always do stupid things. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna buy 2 balls. Oh, they are very cute one. Foot with arms and legs. I like the kind of stuff. Which one is this one? Any one of this is fine. Alright, let's see. So it needs 2. Let's see. Oh. I put the wrong side. Is it here? Oh, yeah, correct. Yeah. 100. 200. Same. What did I got? Oh, what is this? I see. Oh, this guy. I got this guy. I thought I would get this guy. Also got the wasabi one. Okay, let's get to the next one. Next one is this one.
这该有的。
哎呀。
这也是该有的。这个是什么好难吃？我对小不要容易的。让我上个多根哦，快点。冰糕哦，冷鱼肉也冷，鱼肉也冷，鱼肉也冷。好像觉得
I don't want this one, so ugly. Anything but this. But I got this one. Ah.
Okay, back to hunting the luggage. Since we're flying back with Anna, we also have to be mindful of the luggage size restrictions. So we need to find one that is big enough for us but still within the size limit.
And then this luggage is pink one.
这个也不错啊，应该不容易拿断。
哎，我就是看到不容易
像这个这
拿
样系下去就容易拿断的。
In the end, instead of one, we bought 2 luggages. Yeah, I just have to get that pink luggage. I actually got tempted to get this pink cabin size luggage too, but ultimately I forgot the idea of getting it. It just wasn't a wise choice to drag 5 luggages back home. I got mine in this clip type design for 16,990 yen. It's zipperless, which means it's harder for anyone to pierce through the luggage with a pen. It also comes with some pretty cool features like this built-in cup holder and this hanger, which is actually part of the luggage leg. As for my hubby's luggage, his has this really handy zipper compartment at the top. He said it's convenient if you happen to forget to put something inside the luggage. You can just simply open this compartment instead of having to open the whole suitcase. His was a little pricier than mine at 19,990 yen. Phew, a lot of nines. The build quality feels pretty solid and the wheels are surprisingly quiet too, especially considering these aren't from a big name luggage brand. Laukong. Halo.